This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Models, welcome to issue 112 of Building Optimus. Is getting closer and closer every issue. In this issue, we're going to be and doing a bit more with the arm. So there we go. Dr. Powell, 6 or 7. I think they're really getting to the edge of the. They've done all the pushing in the edges. So 3 more after this to go. I don't know who they're going to be doing on them. Returned. Star Convoy. Optimus returns. Reborn. Outback. Okay, walkabout. That's not very nice. Decepticons in the war. Shockwave, Impactor, Starscream. Galactica, isn't it? That's quite cool. I like that. Sorry, the right arm, part 6. Details to the right arm. Yeah, another few panels. Doing more panels on this as well. But then we get to attach the other leg with the other one, so I probably won't be able to film very much of that, but we'll have a look and see. And then he'll be and just have to get the arms attached soon. Getting there, a little bit more on that, and then it's getting very close to being completed. So let me clear this out of the way, and well, not the final part, another part of the arm built. This is what we've got today. We've got our 2 discs and the screen ready for the main part. But this we need to make up first before we do it. We've got a panel to put onto a panel. I think that's already come attached, doesn't it? Yeah, that's all. So there we go. That's that done. Then that needs to go onto here, onto the top of there. No, it doesn't. It goes on right way around the top of there. Right. A little bit harder than that. There we go. That's that in there. Then that bit. There we go. That goes on there. Then we've got the disc piece goes onto the top there. There is a pin, so that needs to go the right way round, like that. That then goes onto the bottom under there. Nice. Still got that to go. That up first then. That goes onto there. Again, there is an extra coming out one side of that. You need to line up with that. And then that. There as well. A little bit, big bit. Like that. And then those 2 attach to the lower part of the arm that we've already got here. So that's what we got. And that's going onto there. At the back. 2 holes line up with the like that. Nice. Top, that bit goes onto there with those 2 going into those 2. That. There we go. So that's the inner. There's a bit more to go onto it. Obviously, still got all the articulation there to happen. Should move, shouldn't it? Let's. Yeah, there we go. That's that, although I've just now unplugged one of those. I'll glue that back in place as well. Right, do this out of the way. I'll bring in the other part and we'll see about attaching that. I'm going to glue these back in place again. Done, and show you what it looks like done rather than trying to film it, because I know from past experience that I can't. And we'll see how it all looks. Attached, equally as tricky to get in there, so unfortunately I couldn't video any of that bit. Attached, we've still got all the little articulated bits moving as they should, and his own weight on the floor, so you can have him standing somewhere now. There we go, another issue done. Join me next time when I'm fitting an arm, which is hopefully something I can show you on a video, because it's quite so heavy. The legs are more than half the size of his body, so that's that. So I'm done and sorted out. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you getting close to the end. Bye bye for now.